In this video, we're going to look at how to install the free Qualistar software to use with the Chauvin Arnoux CA8336 Power and Quality Analyzer. The software comes on both CD with the instrument or can be downloaded from the Chauvin Arnoux UK website under the support section. Insert the CD that comes free with the instrument into your PC. Double-click on Setup and follow the instructions. Accept to trust the software if it asks by ticking the box and select the English language option before proceeding. Agree to the terms of the license and click Next. Continue following the instruction wizard, entering the relevant information when required. We would also suggest you install the complete package when given this option. We're prompted not to connect the instrument while the installation is in progress. So once you've made sure the Qualistar is not connected, click Finish. All the drivers have been pre-installed, so that makes life easier when we go to connect our instrument later. There is a help file if you need any further information. Well, the software installation is now complete and the PAT2 icon has been added to the desktop.